In the agent panel below your voice queues, you'll find the SMS Queues section. These work independently from voice queues, so you can control your text message availability separately. Here you can see our SMS support queue showing an available status and a badge indicating how many conversations are waiting to be claimed. Each SMS queue has its own log in, log out, and pause buttons, just like voice queues. You can pause yourself for SMS conversations while staying available for voice calls or the other way around. The status badge updates instantly when you change your availability. Let's pause our SMS queue now to see how it looks. Notice the status has changed to paused with a yellow badge. While paused, new SMS conversations won't be offered to you, but any conversations you've already claimed remain yours. When you're ready to accept new conversations again, click Unpause. Let's unpause now and switch to the Messages tab to see where queue conversations actually appear. On the Messages tab, the SMS Queue section appears at the top of the sidebar. It shows all unclaimed conversations waiting for an agent to pick them up. Each card displays the customer's phone number, a preview of their message, and how long they've been waiting. The purple badge at the top shows the total count of conversations in the queue. To take ownership of a conversation, click the Claim button. The conversation moves from the queue into your personal conversation list, and you can start responding to the customer right away. Other agents will no longer see this conversation in their queue. Let's claim the first one now. After claiming, the conversation opens in the chat area. You can see the full message history and respond just like any other SMS thread. Notice the transfer, release, and close buttons at the top. Transfer sends the conversation to another agent or queue, release puts it back into the queue for someone else, and close ends the conversation when you're done. That's SMS queue handling in the Cloudspire Voice portal. Control your SMS availability from the agent panel, switch to Messages to see waiting conversations, claim them with one click, and use Transfer, Release, or Close to manage the conversation lifecycle. Your voice and SMS queue statuses are completely independent, giving you full control over both channels.